Also, please. You can explain the two things that already we have said now. Please, DC.
Sir will speak and then.
Okay.
Yeah, good evening. First of all, I'm thankful to our PWD minister from Kerala. He has visited the spot, and you are aware of that. Our MLAs and MPs are here. Particularly Ashraf is from last 6 days, and from session also Raghavan has come. For last 4 days he is over only, and other our two friends MLAs are also here, and entire our team, district administration, police department, NDRF, SDRF, Seabird means Navy people, Army people, apart from that Coast Guard, and we have bought one special Major General Indra Balana for a special study, and we have almost 3 to 4 points we got. In that, in every angle we have finalized that, Baba, that is the particular place wherein we have to search. That search is going on, and apart from that, first initially we have bought from NIA, National Institute of Technology, NIT, and that is a metal detector of 6 feet. Then we have one more detector we have bought from Bangalore also, that is 10 meter. But here the problem is the mud with clay and stones are iron ore contents. That beef is not perfectly we are getting. For that we have made location from ISRO and all. Madam has talked to, and CM Siddaramaiah ji has come personally, and he has given the direction to me to be here till the rescue. All works happens till the end. Apart from that, Kumaraswamy ji has come, and our PW ministers and MPs and our PWD minister also, Satish Jarkiholi, and revenue minister, all they have come, and they have given the instruction, whatever the best possibility, we have to explore it, because not only for the person from Kerala, our people are also there in 2 bodies. Till now we have not got. That also you are aware. And first 2 days, when the incident happened on 16th, 18th only we got the information that that lorry of our brother Arjun's is absconding in particular that place. And from the day one, the complaint received, we have worked hard to get the soil around 20,000 metric ton of 20,000. We have removed from that particular place as per the direction of his family people, wherein they also have that guarantee, because of that Benz has given some direction that, Baba, that particular GPS shows in that particular place. Apart from that, we have bought long arm of 60 feet. As you are also aware, that also we have bought from Gokak near Belgaum. With the zero traffic, police people have totally taken the efforts. Thereafter, one more machine we have bought from Goa, and today we are receiving a pontoon of 10 tons capacity, and one more pontoon is there 25 ton capacity. That 10 ton capacity pontoon we are trying to keep it in the water, and we will go up to that point what our Indra Balan and our Navy and Army people have told, and there we will try to anchor it, and from there we will try to make the efforts of diving people. We are trying to go inside of the water, and we want to search our vehicle. And Indra Balan's teams, now they will give us exact picture of the vehicle also, because they are working on that. First, we are taking the initiation of that vehicle. Thereafter, we are another 3 points we will try. But one thing I am telling you, in every efforts, whatever it is the best possibility, we have done. We have given the cooperation, and as per the direction of our government, Siddaramaiah ji, and Venugopal Sahab also called several times, and he has given that. He was shouting at us, shouting at me that what people are doing. Then I told madam to talk to madam and SP Sahab. All possibility we are given because of some issues has been raised in session in Delhi that our Karnataka people are not working on this. But I am telling you, if only one person was there, then it may be wrong or right. We can predict that time. But in with our brother Arjun, another two people, you know that, till they are missing, Jagannath and Lokesh. It indicates clearly that we have to put the effort for our people or not. That I want to tell our Honorable Minister. That Baba and CM of Kerala also I want to send this message through your TV and media and as well as through our Minister and our all MLAs and this thing. And second thing important, our Seabird Navy people told that we will try to dive. But the problem is the underwater current is 8 nautical miles. Today also they came and they have tried, and that has been explained by Indrabalan's people only to the sir, that when they were trying, that time also the speed was 5.5 nautical miles, which was impossible. The person who can take the maximum limit up to 2 to 3 meter, no, 3 nautical miles, but till 3.5 also they have told that we will work on this. Because Navy people are very strong, Army people are also very strong. We are working on that on 24/7. And sir has told that this operation is going to, from today, some stoppage of this work and all these things. Absolutely wrong thing what you people have heard. Our work and our this thing, operation of the rescue will continue. Thank you.
Sir,
Okay.
For the sake of our audience or viewers,
You want to
can you explain that Funtoon experiment? What is
Funtoon, regarding Funtoon experiment.
Pontoon is the floating boat like. I will
have the
show you.
photograph.
I will show you the
He will show the
picture.
photograph. It is in mobile.
Okay, I will give you that. I will share you.
He will share to
Okay,
you.
that floating pontoon will try to reach.
Yes.
Yeah, I will.
He will share to you.
Okay.
and any other alternative minister says the Kerala minister
I-
says that
The
some other
bridge, no,
alternative-
two bridges issue. That's why. it is
And
not-
see, we are trying to bring the dredger along with crane-mounted barge. Again, the problem is in the weather. Goa sandbar has been closed. Goa sandbar means port has been closed. Even though we can get the permission, but the problem is here there are two bridges. One bridge is Gangavali and one bridge is going towards the Konkan railway. We have the sufficient span, but we are not getting the draft. What is the river is having the draft? That also our Indrabalan's team is giving us a way of how to come and on channel. And from that also we are putting the boya, and we will try last effort on that also. That survey is going on.
Yes.
Yeah, please.